for having me here. Hi, Natalie.
Hello po! Good morning sa inyong
Hello
lahat.
po!
Good morning.
Magandang
How are
buhay!
you? Magandang buhay. Today we are here with talk time with Ben and Natalie. If you are magtatagalog ako ngayon kasi puro naman tayo Filipino. But
Yes.
if you are tuning in to my page weekly, meron akong live with Talk Time with Florence. But then today, because wala si Florence, I have invited Kuya Ben and Sis Natalie to be my guest here in Talk Time. So anyway, without further ado, I am going to introduce myself first for those who hasn't seen me yet before. I am Island Baker. I am in Canada. I am in British Columbia, Canada, and I have been living here for the past 12 years with my family, my husband, and my 2 kids. So I have started this business 3 years ago, this online business. And ito po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Nag-start po ako nito 3 years ago because gusto ko lang ma-supplement ang income ng aming household. But then, little did I know na ito na pala ang magiging full-time career ko. So I have been doing this business solely full-time for the past 3 years. So anyway, that is me. Just a short introduction of myself. I would like to introduce Kuya Ben here. He is in New York and he will tell you more about himself. All right, Kuya.
Thank you for having me. Hi, everyone. I am Ben. My full name is Venancio, but my friends and my family call me Ven for short. I'm a retired accountant, originally from the Philippines. And katulad niyo mga kababayan, nagtrabaho din ako sa abroad. My first assignment to support my family, I was assigned to work in Hong Kong. I worked in Hong Kong for more than 20 years before moving to US in
Talaga?
2014. Yes. So I became a US citizen in 2019. I'm married. I'm happily married to say at least. I have 2 sons who have their own families already.
Oh, okay.
I have also 5 grandchildren.
Wow. Okay. Thank you, Kuya Ben, for your introduction. I did not know na nag-Hong Kong pala kayo. Oh my goodness. We have been working for maybe closely 1 year already ni Kuya Ben, but then I didn't know. I thought he just went straight to New York from the Philippines, but nag-Hong Kong pa pala siya. So talagang parang OFW rin po kayo, ano?
No,
Ganun,
I was
ganun po ba?
I was an expat in Hong Kong, so
Expat.
there was
Oh, okay.
there was
Oh, nice. O, kasi
yeah.
sa profession ninyo, ano. Wow. Okay.
But
Thank you, Kuya
because of
Ben.
that, Coach, but before that, my hobbies also, because this is relevant to my what will I say later. My hobbies include going out fishing in Lake Ontario, playing table tennis,
Ah,
playing golf, especially with my son and my grandkids. And
aha.
also, I love to play pickleball. That's it.
Wow. O, talagang hobbies ng mga retired. Hobbies ng mga retired. So anyway, thank you po Kuya Ben ulit for your introduction. Here is Natalie. Natalie, nasaan ka ngayon?
Hello po. Hello. Ako po si Natalie. Isa akong OFW na naka-base dito sa Kuwait. 8 years na po ako dito. Isa akong teacher by profession sa Pilipinas. At 8 years na po akong nag-stay dito sa Kuwait din. So far, nag-enjoy pa rin naman sa trabaho. Pero yeah, planning to retire I think soon. Go back to Philippines. Tapos mag-start na talaga ng business. Mag-stop na sa pagiging OFW and then mag-start ng own business. Yun po yung aking goals ngayon.
Oh,
So yun po.
may anak ka, no? Nabanggit mo.
Yes po. I am a single mom also.
Okay.
12
Ayun.
years old.
12 years old. Yung anak niya naiwan niya sa Pilipinas. But
Yes
then,
po.
yeah, she will tell you more about it later on. Okay? So, ngayon, thank you again for coming in here. Na-save niyo ako kasi kung wala kayo, I will be on my own. Magla-live ngayon. Thank you for coming. So, both of Kuya Ben and Natalie are working closely with me dito sa business na to. We've been working about, a year and a half. But I've been here in business for 3 years now. But sila Kuya medyo mas bago at saka si Natalie. And I would like to give them the stage para ma-expose din sila, and then they could share their experiences regarding this business. They could share their knowledge, kung ano naman yung mga natutunan nila dito sa business, and kung ano yung mga nagustuhan nila dito sa business. So, ang gagawin natin is I will ask both of them a question, and then they could both answer this. Here is your first question. Para tayong nasa contest. How did you
Number
find
one.
question number one as a pageant? How did you find the business? Paano nyo nalaman tong business na to? Paano nyo nakita? Saan nyo nakita? Ako kasi sa Facebook ko siya nakita eh. And then, what are your struggles? Or kung ano yung reason? Baka wala kayong struggle. Ayan ni Kuya, baka wala kayong struggle before starting the business, but ano yung reason kung bakit kayo nandito sa business na to? Okay, sinong sasagot?
Sige, ako na. Very interesting talaga yung topic na yan. Because as you know, sinabi ko na sa inyo, I'm a retired accountant. So I know my numbers. So before I retire, I taught everything about golden years. So, but then again, I'm now a business owner. I'll tell you why. This is very interesting. No, I was watching a pickleball tournament in YouTube.
Okay.
Yes, YouTube. And there was this Filipino couple in the ad saying that, hey, you watch, we were able to pay off our loans, we pay off our bills, our house mortgage, car loans. So I got interested. What are they saying? And then they said, on top of that, we are able to send financial support to our family back home. That one, I got curious. Hey, yeah, I think, go ahead. So I tried to listen because to my mind, sending family support, financial support to our families back home is one of my headache. Not to touch my retirement savings, but to give them something, not touching the retirement savings. So
Yes.
I think, in fact, I was planning to set up my own business at that time. And there you go. Probably God answered my prayer and said, why don't you take a look at this? These things are like, baka naman pwede kuya makahiram ng kaunting pera, nasa ospital yung anak ko, yung mga ganyan ba? Meron pong yung yung uncle natin nasa ICU, kailangan din ng tulong. O naku, yung ating kamag-anak namatay pero walang pamburo, ganyan. So napakasakit na hindi ka makapagbigay. At the same time, napakasakit naman na mag-away kayo ng asawa mo. Kasi retirement savings na yun eh.
Yes.
Pwedeng gagalawin nyo. So I got this idea. Instead of setting up my own business, this is the one, I think. So I tried to dig deeper and find out. I even do the research. In my browser, I searched the name of the couple. Are they really true? The name, actual name. And I found out they are really in Canada. They are talking.
Yeah. They are real people.
Real people. So they even included something like, even without previous experience in business, or even without, even you are not tech savvy, you can do this business. There will be a system that will support you, and the system will do the hard work for you. There is a
Yeah.
coach and mentor that
Mhm.
will guide you from the start. I said, parang binigay ng Diyos sa akin ito. Itong ganitong klaseng sistema. So,
Mm.
sa huli, sinabi nila, if you are really interested, just sign up with your name and email address, and I will send you the webinar. That's that's what I did. I
Mhm.
signed up and then I watched the video, and that's it.
Awesome! Great job!
Mm.
Ang galing ng ng story. And I really am touched sa kwento mo kuya kasi for para sa mga retired people, 'di ba? Usually ang gusto na lang nila mag-relax na lang and all that. But then
Yes.
dahil meron tayong Filipino blood 'di ba?
Yes
Talagang
po.
yung puso natin sa pagtulong, hindi tayo matapos-tapos sa pagtulong, 'di ba? Lalo na kapag may
Mm.
mga nangangailangan na yeah. Before I go with thank you po Kuya Ben sa pag-share niyo. I hope merong mga retired people or mga close to retirees na nakarelate sa kwento ni Kuya Ben sa sa kanyang mission kasi mission 'yan di ba? Mission sa buhay na hindi sila he takes care of the marriage pero gusto niya rin pangalagaan yung pamilya niya sa Pilipinas.
Mm.
Before I move on with you, Natalie, gusto ko lang mag-hi. Kasi andito si Doc Joel Tan.
Hello.
Hi,
Hello,
Doc.
Doc.
Doc Joel Tan. He is also one of our business partners here in the business. He is a doctor. He's also a retired doctor. And he is in the business. He will be joining us next time. Doc, ikaw ang susunod. Okay, and then we also wanted to say hi to Angela. Angela is one of our business partners as well. She is I think she's from Cameroon, Africa. So hi Angela for watching us. All right. And Natalie, ikaw naman. Anong answer natin sa question?
Yes po.
Okay.
So ako naman po, nakita ko itong business na ito sa Facebook ad din, way back 2020. Pandemic noon. Andito na ako sa Kuwait. Tapos, syempre, quarantine. So, Facebook lang ang libangan natin. So, sabi ko, bakit parang nagpa-pop up itong isang ad from Filipina mom na naka-base sa Dubai. Sabi ko, ngayon, na-intriga ako kaagad kasi ang dami niyang results. Tapos, ang ganda-ganda ng mga pinipresent niya sa Facebook niya. So, nag-start ako mag-stalk sa kanya. Tapos, tinignan ko. Pero before noon, desperately looking na po talaga ako sa pagkakaroon ng part-time job, side hustle. Like, yung parang sa online lang, pwede kong gawin online kasi nga may full-time akong trabaho. And before ko nakita ito, 3 times na po akong na-scam.
Oh,
So,
wow.
then, yes po, kaya naging careful ako. Pero yung 3 times na yun yung mali ko doon. Hindi ako nag-research. Parang, okay, gusto ko to. So, ayun, lahat, scene mode na sila after 1 month.
Simple na.
po. So, in short, nung nakita ko itong ad na ito, talagang minessage ko kaagad yung ate na yon. Tapos, ang quick niyang mag-reply sa akin. Ngayon, nasabi niya, ito yung first step mo para magkaroon ka ng idea kung ano itong ginagawa ko. So, yung webinar, isinend niya sa akin, mag-register ka lang. So, pinanood ko, sabi ko, hindi pa rin ako kontento. Bakit ganun? Hindi ko maintindihan. Paano ka po kumikita? Yun lang yung gusto kong malaman, paano ako kumikita. Kasi that time, ang struggle ko, 10 years na po akong OFW. So, bilang OFW, parang every year, nagsisave ka lang para sa magiging bakasyon mo the same year. So, yung savings mo that year, i-spend mo ng 1 month sa Pilipinas para, alam mo, ma-treat mo yung mga family mo. Pagbalik mo, mag-i-start ka na naman sa zero. Yun po yung struggle ko. Sabi ko, hindi ako bumabata. Gusto ko na magkaroon ng talagang savings kasi nakakapagod na maging OFW. Nakakapagod na po talaga sa 10 years na pagiging OFW ko. So, yun yung talagang number 1 na struggle ko. And then, ginaid ako nung ate na yun, nung Filipina mom na yun, na i-watch mo ito. Ngayon, dahil hindi ko pa maintindihan, isinama niya ako doon sa Facebook community. So, doon na ako ulit nag-start na mag-stalk ng lahat ng members. Tunay ba ito talaga? Paano silang, bakit ganito ang mga results nila? Ang ganda. So, the more na andun ako sa pag-research dito sa mga tao na ito behind this online business, andun yung panalangin ko na, Lord, I think this is it. I think this is the opportunity that I'm looking for. Tapos hanggang sa, dahil po merong financial constraint that time, 2 years kong pinalipas, pero yung 2 years na yon talagang nag-pray ako sa Panginoon, is this the right time? Is this the right time? Tapos, praise God, binigyan niya ako ng opportunity na maka-join last year. So, I am an online business owner now.
Ang galing. Ay, ang ganda ng kwento mo, sis. Oo, mag-uusap pa tayo after nito, sigurado. Ang ganda-ganda ng kwento mo. It's very inspiring. At saka maraming ma-inspire na mga OFWs din sa inyo. Sana may mga nanonood na mga OFW sa inyo ngayon. Anyway, move on tayo sa pangalawang tanong. Salamat sa inyong mga answers. Ito ang ating second question. What are the things that you love about the business so far? So, ngayong nandito na kayo sa business, ano yung mga pinaka nagustuhan nyo? Alam ko maraming. Alam ko maraming. But just name a few. Just name a few ng mga paborito ninyo dito sa sa negosyo. Kuya Ben, mauna ka na.
I enjoy doing this business because you can schedule it the way you want it, because I'm a retiree. So I have to prioritize, first of all, is my health. So I like this business because of that. I cannot give full time here because I have now priorities in life. But at the same time, I want to help others. So this business also is, very, very gracious to me.
Nice. Good job. Thank you, Kuya. Yun yung mga paborito niya kasi very flexible talaga yung business at saka very portable. Kahit nasa labas kayo, pwede yung ma-attend. So, yeah. For you, Natalie, what do you love most about this business?
Ako po, dalawa yung pinakagusto ko dito sa business. Yung una, yung napakadaming resources. Talagang from start to end, umaapaw ang mga resources na andito sa business na ito. Hindi mo mafe-feel na, paano na ang gagawin ko? Ano na ang next? Kasi kahit nga sino pwedeng gawin lahat nitong step-by-step instructions. Basta alam mo na mag-follow ng instructions. Ang dami-daming resources, hindi ka mauubusan. Pangalawa, nagkaroon ako ng worldwide community friends. Akong introvert na tao na very few lang ang mga friends ko, pero nang sumali ako dito sa business na ito, nagkaroon ako ng Kuya Ben sa US, ng Coach Island sa Canada. Ang saya po ng pakiramdam.
Thank you. Thank you. And we are very happy na nandito ka rin, Natalie. Very, you're very, masyado ka masipag na and I'm pretty sure you will also succeed in no time. Thank you. Third and last question tayo para hindi tayo masyadong mahaba. How will this business help the people that are in the same situation as you? Ngayong nandito ka na, paano mo masasabi na talagang recommendable itong business na to?
Okay.
Kuya.
Okay. So, the story that I relate, I'm very sure maraming makaka-relate din dyan. Kasi yung baka naman, Kuya, baka naman makahiram, baka naman pwede. Sometimes kasi, yung mga kamag-anak, sasabihin sa'yo, pahiram. Pero actually, sa totoo lang, they cannot afford to pay. Kasi unang-una nga, mataas yung hinihingi nila. Hindi naman piso eh. Hindi naman 2 piso eh. Pang-hospital bills, mga ganun. So, marami makaka-relate sa akin dito dahil sa marami ding retirees na gustong mawala yung problema. Una-una, makatulong sa kapwa. At the same time, yung mga interesado rin na magkaroon ng contingency fund. Aside with your retirement savings, that is for you and your spouse. Meron ka pang contingency fund na pwede mo ring sabihin sa spouse mo. You can also get from there because I feel that we are joined wherever we are always joined. So you can get from that. So
Yeah.
that to me is a very, very good project because you can spend your golden years smiling.
Yeah.
When the others are having big problems, you can literally ease their problems and give something to them.
Yeah.
And
Thank you, Kuya Ben. I'm pretty sure talagang marami makaka-relate sa mga na-mention mo ngayon. Ang dami mong mga na-mention na talagang, very common. Very
Yeah.
common sa ating mga,
Yeah.
na mga struggles ng ating mga kamag-anak, pamilya, or tayo mismo, di ba? So, thank you po. Natalie, what about you?
Yes po. Kapag ikaw ay isang OFW na kagaya ko, another source of income ang pinakamahalaga talaga. So working as an OFW for 10 years, relying on one single source of income, hindi talaga enough. Kasi meron yung time na mapapagod tayo, we are bound to every contract yearly sometimes. Imagine mo yun, magpapalit ka ng mga managers mo, swerte mo kapag napunta ka sa mga managers na mababait, ganun. Pero kapag talagang pursue mo yung pagkakaroon ng second source of income, lalong-lalo na pa sa mga OFW na kagaya ko, opportunity talaga siya. Opportunity siya na makapag-save tayo, na makatulong pa ng lalo sa family natin, lalong-lalo na pa sa mga extended families natin. So para rin sa atin ito.
Thank you. Salamat. Oo, nabanggit mo yan. Sabi mo, OFW talagang kailangan ng hindi enough ang isang stream of income lang. Hindi lang ba sa OFW, I think anywhere in the world, kung mag-agree kayo, lahat na ngayon, kahit na mga tao dito sa North America, hindi kakayanin ang single income household. Mapa-isa or dalawa lang ang anak mo. Dito naman sa North America, usually makukunti lang ang mga anak ng mga tao, di ba? Isa or dalawa. Pero kahit na ganon, mahirap pa rin ang isang income talaga. Kaya halos lahat, buong mundo na itong itong mundong to pataas ang cost. Hindi na natin alam. Wait lang, meron tayong comment. Wait, sino itong nag-comment sa atin? Thank you, bro. Sabi niya ganon. Bro, Ben, and sis, Natalie, for that inspiring stories. Great job, Coach Island. Hi!
Thank you po.
Nanonood sa atin. Doc Joel, maganda ka na. Ikaw next week. Okay. So thank you very much, guys, for releasing this live, this talk time. Sana marami tayong ma-inspire na mga Filipinos and I think Filipinos na makakaintindi ng salita natin. Sana marami tayong ma-inspire na mga retirees, na mga retired people, na mga OFW and mga moms na kagaya ko. Kasi ganun din ang naging struggle ko, almost the same as you guys. Pero ngayon, nandito na ako. Medyo advanced na ako ng konti sa inyo kasi nauna naman akong pumasok. But I'm pretty sure you guys are also gonna get into wherever I am and beyond. I'm pretty sure. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is we just wanted to let everybody know, yung mga viewers natin, na we do have that webinar. Yung webinar na pinag-uusapan namin kanina is we have that live every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So any one of you wanted to tell them more about the webinar? Kuya Ben, do you want to tell them more about the webinar?
That's the webinar is from every Tuesday and Thursday. As you can see, 5 p.m. PST and 8 p.m. EST.
Okay.
For Wednesday and Friday, there is a different schedule.
Okay. So usually sa ibang bansa, kasi kapag hindi kayo PST or EST and tumapat na sa Pilipinas kayo, usually sa Pilipinas, Wednesday na to umaabot and Friday. So ganun na ang schedule yan. But Natalie, how are they going to get the webinar? Paano silang makaka-join sa webinar?
Yes, napakasimple lang po. I-click nyo lang yung mga link na kung makikita ninyo, sa mga pangalan na makikita ninyo. Kung gusto nyong manood, mag-register lang po kayo dyan. Ilagay nyo lang yung name ninyo at saka yung valid email address ninyo. That is the first step para kung gusto nyong mabago yung buhay ninyo, sige na, start nyo na. Hindi kayo magsisisi.
Thank you so much. Yes, totoo. So any of these websites, kahit na sino dyan, kung kanino kayo makarelate na most, doon kayo kayo mag-register. Kung nakarelate kayo kay Kuya Ben, mag-register kayo kay Kuya Ben, benmaloto.com. And kung kay Natalie, isa kayong OFW, Natalie I.
Yes, Natalie I.
Medyo makabahaba ang iyong ano. Ngayon, i-screenshot nyo na lang po. So anyway, so that's everything for today. Thank you very much. Do you have any other last words, anybody? May mga last words po ba, Kuya Ben?
Long live!
Karamihan sa mga Pilipino talaga nag-aanap ng something extra. Sa akin ay put it in a contingency fund for emergency expenses. Sign up, register your name and email address, and we will send you the pre-webinar. It is a video. The first part is, they will tell you how to start your business online. And the second part is the testimonials of those business owners who have been successful in this business. I hope you will be encouraged to join us.
Yes.
Thank you. And Natalie, do you have any last words?
Take action now if you want to change your life. Don't waste any time. Just take action. That's it, Coach.
Thank you so much. Yes, it's true. If you are in a situation where you're not satisfied with what you have right now and you needed more, or you wanted to change for the better, your features, better, sign up on any of our websites and watch the webinar. Yun lang naman po ang hinihiling namin. Panoorin niyo po para po makita ninyo kung para po ba ito sa inyo. Kung mababagay din po itong business na ito sa inyo. Kasi kayo lang naman ang makakapagsabi kung kaya ninyong gawin. Kung kaya ninyong gawin ito. Hindi namin pwedeng tawag dito, i-insist sa inyo. But you have to actually check it. I-research ninyo, kagaya nung ginawa ni Kuya Ben at ni Natalie. Mag-research kayo para malaman ninyo kung nababagay ba ito sa inyo. Okay po? So, I think that's everything. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Sa mga nanonood ng replay nito. Salamat, and hope to see you again next time. Thank you po, Kuya Ben and Natalie. Have a good day, everyone.
Coach. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you po.